Salut les pros de la commande. Welcome back to French in 90 days. Yesterday you mastered the polite art of asking for things with je voudrais and the crucial question combien ça coûte. You're basically ready to shop, but there's the problem. When the vendor answers, they say a number, and if you don't know the numbers, you'll just stare blankly. We can't have that. Today is all about numbers. 1 through 10. This is pure repetition. Get ready to count like a French person. Remember, your French reflexes are built on repetition. Let's drill the essentials. How do you politely ask for something? Use I would like. Je voudrais. Say it again, loud and proud. Je voudrais. Now, how do you add please to that? S'il vous plaît. Try whole thing. I would like, please. Je voudrais, s'il vous plaît. Excellent. And if you need to know the price, what do you ask? Combien ça coûte? Faster. Combien ça coûte? Finally, the magic word for gratitude. Merci. Repetition isn't boring. It's your secret weapon. Your brain is locking these phrases in, so you don't have to think about them. Our focus today is purely on the numbers, so we'll keep the dialogue short and sweet, focusing on a multi-item order. Listen closely for the numbers. Bonjour, je voudrais 2 croissants et 3 pains au chocolat, s'il vous plaît. Ça fait 5 articles et avec ça, c'est tout. Merci. Combien ça coûte? Ça coûte 9 euros. Let's check those numbers. Je voudrais 2 croissants et 3 pains au chocolat, s'il vous plaît. 2 and 3. You are ordering multiple now. 2, 3, 3. Ça fait 5 articles et avec ça, 5, 5. The vendor is confirming your order total. Ça fait 5 euros is how they say that makes 5. Et avec ça is a very French way to ask anything else. C'est tout, merci. Combien ça coûte? That's all. Thank you. How much does it cost? Ça coûte 9 euros. 9? 9. You'll hear price constantly, so let's learn those numbers. Get ready to count. Listen, then repeat, repeat, repeat. 1. 1. 2. 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Let's go back to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now for the next 5. 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Let's run the second half. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Repeat, repeat, repeat. That's how your brain locks it in. Now, the full set. We're going to say them 3 times, faster each time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. as fast as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's use them in context. Say, I would like 3 coffee, please. Je voudrais 3 cafés, s'il vous plaît. I would like 1 croissant, please. Je voudrais un croissant, s'il vous plaît. Bravo! You sound perfectly fluent up to 10. Fantastic! You've conquered the numbers 1 through 10. 1, 2, 3, 10. Tomorrow, we'll put these numbers right back into ordering food. Un croissant et un jus d'orange. Keep counting things around you in French. Count your fingers. Count your keys. Count the number of times you say merci today. If you keep this up, the vendors won't even need a calculator. I'll see you tomorrow. À demain.